Welcome! Let's talk about a universe that sings, not with a literal voice, but with the steady hum of vibration. Nikola Tesla, a master of electrical engineering, saw the world this way. He didn't just see circuits, he didn't just see wires. He saw a grand orchestra of energies. Everything vibrates, from the smallest atom to the largest galaxy. If you understood the rules of these vibrations, oscillations, you could unlock secrets of the universe. This isn't spooky magic, it's measurable physics. We'll explore calmly and clearly, using math, not myth. Reality is a dance of oscillation. Reality is a dance of coupling. To navigate this vibrational world, let's draw a simple map with a few distinct layers. Think of this as a blueprint for how energy moves and organizes itself. The first and most fundamental layer, layer A, is the field or medium. This is the invisible ocean in which all waves travel. For a sound wave, the medium is the air. For a light wave, it's the electromagnetic field. In our broader model, this represents the underlying context, the market, the culture, the shared space where all interactions happen. It's the silent stage upon which the entire play unfolds. Understanding the properties of your field is the first step to making any impact within it. Next, we have layer B, the oscillators themselves, active players creating the vibrations. In Tesla's world, coils and circuits. In life, companies, creators, your daily work routine, the engines of the system, each with its own frequency. Layer C is where resonance couples and amplifies. Energy flows with stunning efficiency. Tuning, not forcing. Alignment beats effort. Now, let's approach the famous 369 sequence. Many myths and legends have grown around Tesla's supposed fascination with these numbers. Rather than adding to the speculation, we can explore them through the clean and verifiable world of mathematics. We don't need to believe in cosmic codes to see real patterns. The first and most accessible way to see this is through digital roots. A digital root is the single-digit value you get by repeatedly summing the digits. 482, 4 plus 8 plus 2 equals 14, 1 plus 4 equals 5. Let's apply this to the powers of 2, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. The digital roots form a repeating pattern. 2, 4, 8, 7, 5, 1. Notice what's missing. 3, 6, 9 sit outside this loop. Mathematically, a 6 cycle, a 2 cycle where 3 doubles to 6 and back, and a fixed point, 9. It's a structural property of base 10, numbers behaving in families. Multiples of 9 reduce to 9, a kind of invariant sync. So we get a primary 6-part cycle, a secondary 2-part polarity, and a governing fixed point, 9. Beyond simple arithmetic, the numbers 3, 6, and 9 have deep significance in electrical engineering and wave physics. A second view is three-phase power. Most grids run on 3 synchronized AC waves. Imagine 3 sine waves, synchronized, but offset by 120 degrees. This arrangement is efficient and balanced, smooth power for motors and cities. 3 gives rise to 6-part cycles. 0 crossings and positive and negative peaks define the rhythm. 3 is the stable foundation. 6 are the dynamic events. Complex waves break into a fundamental and harmonics, 2F, 3F, 4F, and so on. The third, sixth, and ninth, triplet harmonics, have unique properties. They can strengthen a signal or create distortion and noise. To engineers, 3 labels phase geometry, 6 mark cycle events, and 9 points to critical harmonic families. Tesla wasn't a numerologist. He engineered resonant systems and saw these patterns everywhere. Let's build a bridge from Tesla's macroscopic world of coils to the microscopic realm of quantum mechanics, and cautiously, to the workings of our own minds. The central concept across domains is coherence, parts vibrating in fixed, predictable relationships. Tesla sought large-scale, coherent electromagnetic waves that could carry power. He built massive coils and tuned them with capacitors, pure, powerful, stable. His struggle was against noise, interference, energy loss. Today, quantum computing faces the same game at microscopic scale. Maintain coherence. Stray fields or tiny temperature changes cause decoherence and destroy computation. So engineers build shielding and deep cooling to protect phase, create a clean oscillation, protect its phase, and shield it from noise. We must be careful. It's a leap to call the brain a quantum computer. But the brain is oscillatory. Attention increases coherence. Phase locking appears as the neural signature of attention. Now let's translate these engineering principles into a practical plan for building energy, influence, and wealth. These are not get-rich-quick secrets, but 7 durable rules inspired by resonance. Rule 1. Build your oscillator. One core, repeatable activity that generates value. This consistent rhythm is your fundamental frequency. Consistency builds amplitude. Rule 2. Tune before you push. Fix fit, clarity, and workflow. Small frequency changes beat more force. Rule 3. Coupling beats effort. Connect to distribution. Good connections multiply energy. Rule 4. Find nodes and antinodes. Place efforts where attention concentrates. Rule 5. Protect your coherence. Sleep, focus, and a clean environment. Rule 6. Raise amplitude ethically by increasing value. Rule 7. Stack harmonics. 2 or 3 aligned activities that reinforce each other. We have traveled from the foundational ideas of a great inventor to a practical framework for growth. Reality can be understood as a system of oscillators and couplings. Nikola Tesla saw a symphony of vibrations. Adopt an engineering mindset, beyond mystical interpretations. The 3-6-9 pattern shows up in number systems, 3-phase power, and wave harmonics, real patterns with real-world significance. Coherence is a precious resource, in circuits, in quantum labs, and in our minds. The goal is a clean, stable signal and protection from noise. Action plan. Beautifully simple. First, build your oscillator. Make it reliable. Second, tune it. Focus a month on quality, fit, feedback, and skill. Third, couple it. Pick one platform, one partner, one network, and connect. Shift from brute force to alignment and amplification. Be best tuned and best coupled.